Warning. These 7 healthy foods are secretly destroying your kidneys. Excess. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our health tips and advice. Today we're diving into a very important topic that could affect a lot of people, especially if you're someone who has or is at risk for kidney problems. We're going to talk about 7 healthy foods that, believe it or not, could actually be secretly damaging your kidneys. Now, you might be thinking, wait, aren't these foods supposed to be good for me? Well, that's the twist. While these foods are generally considered healthy and packed with nutrients, for people with kidney disease or compromised kidney function, they can be surprisingly harmful. These foods can lead to an overload of certain minerals and nutrients that the kidneys can't filter properly, leading to potential health issues. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into each of these foods, one by one. We'll explain why they're problematic, how they can affect your kidneys, and what you can do to protect your kidney health. It's crucial to understand that even the healthiest foods need to be eaten in the right way and in moderation, especially when dealing with a condition like kidney disease. Whether you're managing kidney health yourself or simply looking to learn more, this video is packed with valuable information that could help you make better dietary choices moving forward. So, if you've ever been told that eating a lot of certain healthy foods is good for you, stay tuned, because today we're uncovering how these foods might actually be doing more harm than good to your kidneys. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Avocados. While avocados are often hailed as a superfood, they can pose risks to your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney disease or a compromised kidney function. Why? Avocados are packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps with muscle function, nerve signals, and fluid balance. However, for individuals with kidney problems, consuming too much potassium can be problematic. Healthy kidneys filter excess potassium from your blood, but when kidney function is impaired, this process becomes less efficient and leading to dangerous levels of potassium in the bloodstream. Elevated potassium, also known as hyperkalemia, can cause serious health issues, including irregular heart rhythms, muscle weakness, and in extreme cases, even heart attacks. Even though avocados are nutritious and loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, those with kidney disease need to be cautious about their intake. A single medium-sized avocado contains roughly 700 to 900 mg of potassium, which is about 15 to 20% of the daily recommended intake for healthy adults. For someone with kidney issues, this could be too much. So, while avocados can be a great addition to a balanced diet, it's important to consume them in moderation if you're concerned about kidney health, and to always consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure about how much potassium is safe for you. Number 2. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is often considered a healthier alternative to white bread, thanks to its higher fiber content and various nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. However, for individuals with kidney disease, this seemingly healthy choice may not be as kidney-friendly as it appears. Whole wheat bread is rich in phosphorus, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining bone health, energy production, and muscle function. In a healthy person, the kidneys efficiently filter excess phosphorus out of the bloodstream. But when kidney function declines, this filtration process becomes compromised, leading to dangerous phosphorus buildup in the body. Elevated phosphorus levels can have serious consequences, including weakening of the bones, calcification of blood vessels, and increased risk of cardiovascular problems. Surprisingly, even though whole wheat bread is more nutritious than its refined counterpart, it can contribute significantly to phosphorus intake because of its high phosphorus content, especially when consumed in large quantities. A single slice of whole wheat bread can contain 50 to 70 mg of phosphorus, which adds up quickly if you're eating multiple slices a day. This makes it especially important for those with kidney disease to monitor and limit their intake of foods high in phosphorus, including whole wheat bread. If you have kidney issues, it's essential to pay attention to your dietary choices. And while whole wheat bread might be an excellent option for the general population, and those with kidney concerns may need to consider alternatives or limit their intake. Number 3. Canned soups. Canned soups might seem like a quick and convenient option for a nutritious meal, especially for those with busy lifestyles. However, for people with kidney problems, they can be surprisingly harmful. The main issue with canned soups lies in their sodium content. Sodium is used to preserve the soup and enhance flavor, but it comes at a significant cost to kidney health. The kidneys are responsible for filtering excess sodium out of the bloodstream, but when kidney function is impaired, this process becomes less efficient. High sodium levels can lead to fluid retention, high blood pressure, and over time can put additional strain on the kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. In fact, consuming too much sodium can lead to a dangerous condition called hypernatremia, where the body's sodium levels become too high, leading to symptoms like confusion, seizures, and even kidney failure in extreme cases. Many canned soups contain more than 1,000 mg of sodium per serving, and some varieties can have up to 2,000 mg, and just one can nearly 90% of the recommended daily limit for an adult. For those with kidney disease, this can be particularly risky. Moreover, the sodium in canned soups is often accompanied by high levels of preservatives and artificial ingredients, which can further contribute to kidney damage over time. If you're looking to reduce sodium intake, it's better to choose low-sodium or homemade soups where you can control the salt content. So while canned soups may be easy and comforting, they can unknowingly harm your kidneys in the long run, especially if consumed regularly. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is widely regarded as one of the healthiest leafy greens, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. It's a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin K, iron, folate, and fiber, making it a staple in many people's diets. However, despite its reputation as a health food, spinach can be a hidden threat to kidney health, especially for those with existing kidney conditions. The primary concern with spinach lies in its high oxalate content. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plant-based foods, and in the body they can bind with calcium to form calcium oxalate, a type of kidney stone. For individuals prone to kidney stones, consuming too much spinach could increase the risk of developing these painful and potentially dangerous stones. In addition to oxalates, spinach is also high in potassium, another mineral that can become problematic for people with kidney disease. Healthy kidneys help regulate potassium levels, but when kidney function declines, excess potassium can build up in the blood, leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. This can cause symptoms like muscle weakness, irregular heartbeats, and even heart failure if not properly managed. A cup of cooked spinach contains about 840 milligrams of potassium, which is a significant portion of the daily recommended intake. So while spinach is nutrient-dense and great for most people, those with kidney disease or a history of kidney stones need to be cautious about how much they consume. Moderation is key, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider to determine how much spinach is safe for your specific health needs. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts are often considered a heart-healthy snack packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They're a popular choice for those looking to maintain a nutritious diet, and they've earned a solid reputation for promoting overall health. However, when it comes to kidney health, nuts might not be as innocent as they seem, especially for those with kidney disease. The primary issue with nuts is their high content of phosphorus and potassium, both of which can be challenging for individuals with compromised kidney function. Phosphorus is essential for bone health and energy production, but when the kidneys aren't functioning properly, they struggle to filter out excess phosphorus from the bloodstream. This can lead to dangerously high phosphorus levels, contributing to bone disease, weakened bones, and even calcification of blood vessels. Many nuts, including almonds, cashews, and walnuts, contain significant amounts of phosphorus. For example, just a small handful of almonds can pack around 140 milligrams of phosphorus, which may not seem like much, but for someone with kidney disease, it can quickly add up. Similarly, nuts are also rich in potassium, which plays an important role in nerve function and muscle control. However, when the kidneys are impaired, they can't regulate potassium levels as effectively, leading to hyperkalemia, or dangerously high potassium levels. This can result in muscle weakness, abnormal heart rhythms, and in extreme cases, life-threatening complications. While nuts can be part of a balanced diet for most people, those with kidney disease need to be especially mindful of their intake. It's important to monitor portion sizes and perhaps choose nuts that are lower in phosphorus and potassium. Consulting a healthcare provider is always a wise step to determine how much is safe for your specific health needs. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are often celebrated as a nutritious and versatile food, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're an excellent source of beta-carotene, fiber, and vitamin C, making them a go-to choice for anyone looking to eat healthily. However, while sweet potatoes are undoubtedly beneficial for most people, they can pose a problem for individuals with kidney disease, primarily because of their high potassium content. Potassium is a mineral that plays a key role in muscle function, nerve signals, and fluid balance. For those with healthy kidneys, potassium is easily regulated, with excess amounts being filtered out through the urine. But for individuals with impaired kidney function, the kidneys struggle to remove excess potassium from the blood. This can lead to dangerously high levels of potassium, a condition known as hyperkalemia. Elevated potassium levels can have serious consequences, including irregular heartbeats, muscle weakness, and even heart attacks in severe cases. A medium-sized sweet potato can contain over 500 milligrams of potassium, which is a significant portion of the daily recommended intake, especially for someone with kidney disease. This can make sweet potatoes a risky food choice if consumed in large amounts. While they're generally considered a healthier carbohydrate option compared to white potatoes, the potassium content of sweet potatoes can quickly add up and become problematic for those with compromised kidney function. If you have kidney issues, it's essential to monitor your potassium intake carefully, and in many cases, it may be wise to limit or avoid foods like sweet potatoes. Of course, each individual's dietary needs are different, so consulting a healthcare provider or dietitian to determine the right portion size for you is always a smart move. Sweet potatoes may be a delicious and nutritious food, but for those with kidney disease, moderation is key. Number 7. Bananas. Bananas are often hailed as one of the best sources of potassium, and for good reason. They're delicious, portable, and packed with nutrients that support heart health, muscle function, and overall wellness. They also provide a good amount of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, which are essential for various bodily functions. However, when it comes to kidney health, bananas can be a double-edged sword. For most people, the potassium in bananas is beneficial, helping to regulate fluid balance and nerve signals. But for individuals with kidney disease, potassium can quickly become problematic. Healthy kidneys help filter excess potassium from the bloodstream, but when kidney function is impaired, this vital process becomes less efficient. As a result, excess potassium can accumulate in the body, leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. This condition can cause serious symptoms, including muscle weakness, fatigue, irregular heart rhythms, and in extreme cases, can lead to life-threatening heart attacks. A single medium-sized banana contains about 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which may not seem like much to a healthy individual, but for someone with compromised kidney function, it can be a significant portion of the daily potassium limit. The problem becomes even more pronounced if bananas are consumed regularly or in large quantities. For individuals with kidney issues, it's crucial to carefully monitor and limit potassium intake, and bananas, despite their many health benefits, can be a hidden source of potassium overload. While they're nutritious and can be enjoyed in moderation by those with healthy kidneys, people with kidney disease may need to avoid bananas or choose lower potassium fruits as part of their diet. Consulting a healthcare professional or dietitian can help you understand your specific potassium needs and ensure you're making the best choices for your kidney health. Summary. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this information has been helpful and eye-opening, especially if you're someone who's concerned about kidney health or managing kidney disease. It's so important to be mindful of what we put into our bodies, and sometimes even the healthiest foods can pose risks if we're not careful, particularly when it comes to how they interact with our kidneys. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring more valuable content to you. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we talk about all things health, wellness, and how to make informed decisions for a better lifestyle. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever been surprised by a food you thought was healthy but realized it might not be the best for your kidneys? Drop a comment below and share your experience, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm always here to help. Lastly, remember that everyone's body is different, and if you're managing a kidney condition, it's always a good idea to speak with your doctor or a nutritionist about what's best for your personal health needs. So take care of yourselves, stay informed, and keep making choices that support your overall well-being. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone.